guys, it's Amanda with Great Scots. I am so excited to be showing you another Halloween Harry Potter decor video. And if you saw our recent DIY Dementors video, this is just an addition on top of that. I've seen these super cute directional Harry Potter inspired signs, and I'm going to be making one of those for our front yard for Halloween. Now, I'm super excited because I just got a new tool that's going to help me accomplish this project, and I can't wait to show it to you. This is my very first time using it, so you're going to be experiencing that alongside of me. So right here behind me is my new baby, the Glowforge Pro. And when I get anything maker related that I know is gonna help me create a lot of fun stuff, it is kind of like adding a new member to our family. If you guys have not heard of the Glowforge before, it's basically a laser cutter / laser printer. And there's so much cool stuff you can make out of it with wood and acrylic and all kinds of things. So like any new creative project, there's definitely a learning curve. So I have been watching tons of tutorials about the Glowforge, and I've also been designing files for my directional Harry Potter sign in Inkscape. There's lots of different software that you can use, but Inkscape is free and it's what I've been learning, and so far it's going good. I'm still finalizing a lot of these designs, but this is what I've got going on. And my Glowforge will be able to cut and engrave at the same time, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So the Glowforge Pro comes with what they call some proof grade materials. So these are super nice because you just scan them in and it has like preloaded settings. So I think that this will help with my first couple of cuts since I'm so new to this. But I'm also going to be testing out some non-proof grade materials too, which lots of makers use. Anyway, it's gonna be really interesting to see how this turns out, and I think the sign's gonna be really pretty if everything goes as planned. I learned a lot on this first print. This actually took almost 6 hours to print, and that was because my file was very complicated. And you can't tell, but I did this first sign on the proof grade walnut, which is already finished, and once I peeled off that transfer tape, it just looked gorgeous. I'll show you the finished products for all of these signs at the very end. Okay, I'm all ready for my second print. This is a cute Ollivander sign. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I love how this one turned out. Time to print these two cute little guys. So satisfying. Next, these two little signs on some white painted board. I painted on a lot of accents on these signs. In the future, I'm going to try to do a lot more layering, because that's one thing the Glowforge is amazing with, just layering different pieces of wood and materials to create this look. I got this scare owl at the department store, and now I'm going to transform him into Hedwig. All right, now he is hornless. We gotta paint him. For this spray paint, I just used a premium off-white paint. I wanted Hedwig to have a nice warm hue to her. And I thought I would need to do more detailing, but it actually worked out just perfect. The little crevices in the plastic made it look like it had little gray spots on it. To mount all of these signs, I used this 10-foot 4x4 post, and at the last minute, Shaye suggested that we paint this sign, and so thankfully I had this green tartan Sherwin-Williams paint color that worked out just great. All right, I have got this all planned out, and now I just have a few finishing touches, and we're gonna hang this up. You guys, we loved how this project turned out. With DIY, you never quite know how things are going to go, especially with the Glowforge being totally new to us. I've never used a laser cutter before. I was pretty thrilled with what I was able to accomplish in just a couple of days. Having said that, I'm pretty sure I barely scratched the surface of what the Glowforge can do, so you'll probably see this in a bunch of our future videos. purchasing a Glowforge, you can click the link in our description for an exclusive offer of up to $500 off a machine, and this is the deepest discount that Glowforge offers. Thanks so much for joining us for this one. This was such a fun project. So excited to bring you more fun holiday content, and this Harry Potter sign turned out so great you might just see it pop up in our Christmas decor this year. Take care, you guys. We'll see you on the next one.